This is so cool. So we have set up a marina with all the different kinds of scenarios that you can come across. And what we've done is we've made little spots in here, like see all the little green spots that we've made. We want you to back into these, we want you to go forwards into these, we want you to practice all the different wind directions in these marinas so that you can get really used to how to maneuver your boat around in a marina with any situation at all, so that you are always knowing how to stay in control of your boat. Right, so this one over here we want you to back into, we want you to go forwards into there, come out. Let me show you around the rest of our marina. We've got a little fuel dock over there that you can go into and squeeze in between these two boats right over here. Right here is a really good spot where we're going to do a Mediterranean mooring with the slime line. Over here we're going to do a Mediterranean mooring where you're going to drop the anchor out over here and then back right up to that marina slip there. Right here we want you to come around and just go backwards into this one. Over here we've got some pylons that we want you to practice going backwards into and then snagging the bow lines onto the pylon. So it's kind of like a Mediterranean mooring as well. So what's super cool about this whole marina is that you're going to pretty much do all of the scenarios that you'll come across in any marina in the world. And check this out, this is so cool. Look, you can do any wind direction, so we can change the wind direction and we can change the wind speed. So not only are you getting practice at all of the different scenarios of backing and everything, but you're getting practice at different wind directions as well, and that's just super important.